Om Shivoham, Om Shivoham, Rudranamam Bhajeham, Bhajeham. Namaskaram. Today, let's talk about family of Shiva. Shiva depicts so many things. I'll start with Shivalingam. Shivalingam is Shiva in the top and Parvati in the bottom. That's Shivalinga, right? Merge of Shiva and Shakti is Shivalingam. This we can see all around us in the nature. Be it any kind of fruit or vegetable, it is either in the shape of lingam, Shivalingam, that is straight, or in the form of a circle, round. That's Parvati's yoni. Everything in nature is representing Shiva and Shakti, or yin and yang in another way. This also exists in our body. For example, our nose, it is straight, which is in the form of lingam, and then we have two holes that's representing yoni or the circle. So everything is either straight or in the form of a circle. Now our lips are in the form of a circle and the tongue is straight. This is circle, this is straight. This joint is a circle, this is straight. This is a circle, this is straight. Here also, this is a circle, this is straight. We are all made of yin and yang energies. It's beautiful, isn't it? How can we say God is not inside us? It's irrespective of religion. It is just yin and yang energy. One cannot exist without the other. Let's look at Kailash, where Shakti and Shiva reside with their family. Shiva's Vahanam, vehicle, is Nandi, and Parvati's Vahanam is lion. But they don't fight. They live together. And then Shiva has serpent in his neck. And Subramanya Swami, his son, Kumaraswamy, or he is also called as Kartikeya, his vehicle is peacock. Peacock generally attacks snake, but it doesn't happen in this case. And Vinayaka, Lord Vinayaka or Ganapati, he has a rat with him as his Vahana, and nothing happens to rat. No one is attacking anyone in this place. It depicts that Kailasha is beyond hunger. Everyone can live in harmony. That is what Kailasha depicts. And Shiva is Bholenath. He is not just for good people. He gives boons to everyone, right? Be it Rakshas or be it a good person, bad person, he's there for everyone. He doesn't judge. He gives boons to everyone. But yes, there are some repercussions to it, and that is, everything has a reason behind it, because that Rakshas or demon needs to be killed, and that maintenance will be done by Vishnu or Shakti, Shiva's own consort. That's the beauty of Shiva and his family. Har Har Mahadeva Shambho Shankara. Om Namo Parvati Pate Namah Har Har Mahadeva. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.